We have multiple threats coming our way here tomorrow. The heat, humidity, we've got some beach hazard alerts, poor air quality, and maybe even some thunderstorms. We'll try to break it all down here in 3 minutes. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We have some tomorrow. We have some showers and thunderstorms in the morning inside. It's also red, very warm and humid weather ahead.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Let's talk about a nice day here. We've had 2 in a row. Temperatures in the 70s today. A little haze in the air, but otherwise very nice. That's about to change. These high clouds came in this morning as expected with some scattered sprinkles off to our northeast. Big dome of heat is building, and that's pushing all of the showers and thunderstorms at the moment off to our north and west. But we're expecting some storms to develop right in through here right around 11 o'clock tonight. For that reason, there is a marginal risk between about now and daybreak over the northern counties, and it's a marginal risk, probably some hail at the beginning, and that's the main threat here very late tonight through daybreak tomorrow. Watch these storms pop up between now and about 11 o'clock. Here they are. They're expected to blast across the UP. This is 7 o'clock in the morning, getting almost down to the Grand Rapids area, and then for a couple of hours they'll get windy and very heavy rain. Sun comes out though in the afternoon. And boy, does it get hot and humid as that heat dome pushes into southwest lower Michigan. There may be another round of storms then between about 11 o'clock tomorrow night and about 5 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. So a couple of rounds with that, possibility of some wind and heavy rain with that as well. Behind that, we're going to see the heat build. These are forecast heat index values maybe up to 102 during the day tomorrow. That's right around late afternoon, around 101 on Thursday. They'll cool off to around 91 on Friday, and then some relief coming our way after that. Long range outlook after the heat wave, August 28th through September 1, we have a high chance that our temperatures will be a little bit cooler than the average high of 79, but still well up into the 70s, and a high chance we will see very little, if any, precipitation during that 5-day period. Out on Lake Michigan, no worries here this evening. Waves will start to build to around 1 to 2 feet late tonight, and there could be that thunderstorm from Pentwater northward towards daybreak here tomorrow. So for tonight, look for hazy conditions with clear skies and then becoming partly to mostly cloudy, mid and upper 60s, still comfortable tonight. Low and mid 60s with hazy conditions. Towards daybreak, there could be some thunderstorms getting down as far south as Reed City, and from Grand Rapids southward will stay dry all night with clear skies early and then becoming mostly cloudy with haze late tonight. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Wednesday with a chance of some thunderstorms both in the morning and then overnight tomorrow night. 88 tomorrow, 91 Thursday, 82 on Friday as the humidity level starts to come down. We still have that chance of a storm Friday night into this coming Saturday. Next week looking comfortable and dry, upper 70s to around 80. So multiple threats here during the day tomorrow.
Yeah, what are you up to? A quadruple threat there, George?
Well, yeah, hopefully no more. You know, I didn't talk about a tsunami or an earthquake.
Good, we won't have
Keep our
those
fingers
here.
crossed. Yeah.
Better not have any of those. Focusing on the positive today, we had a nice day here today. Lots of sunshine, comfortable temperatures and humidity. But just like that, the conditions are going to change for the next couple of days. A lot of heat and humidity to get through. 13 weather ball tonight is also blinking bright. We have some late night showers and storms coming down from the north. It's also red, much warmer and more humid weather ahead.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Take special care with your pets, especially during the next couple of days if they're outdoors. Yeah, Angel, I know you're looking outside going, yeah, it looks hot out there. Ruby, going to give you the green paw this evening, but a red paw right around 8 o'clock tomorrow morning because there could be a round of some thunderstorms for an hour or two along with the heat. A lot of sun tomorrow after those storms pass, 8.0 out of a 10-point scale to create green energy from the sun. Winds are going to be up tomorrow, breezy here at Grand Rapids, so 4.2 out of a 10-point scale. Got a clean air action day that's been declared for southwest lower Michigan. Most of the summer has been wildfire smoke. This will be ozone. Winds will be out of the south, bringing that up out of Gary and Chicago, Illinois, across Lake Michigan. So Muskegon, Kent, Ottawa, Allegan, and Van Buren counties, you're under that tomorrow. We're going to be in the USG group, orange, unhealthy for sensitive groups. So get out of the heat and get out of the poor air quality. Right now, all of the active weather from this morning, showers to the northeast as expected, moving out. but a heat dome is building, and as that warm front comes through, we have a line of some thunderstorms that are going to come down tonight, getting down to about US 10. There's a marginal risk for some larger hail with that, but there also could be some downpours and some gusty winds. These storms are going to develop later on this evening. There they are right over western Lake Superior, just going to blast down through lower Michigan. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. After a couple of hours, the sun will come out in the afternoon, and we've got a very steamy afternoon going on. This will happen again tomorrow night, a little bit earlier, 11 p.m. to about 7 a.m. Then the sun comes back out during the day on Thursday with very steamy conditions. So a lot of heat and humidity. Looks like our heat index will make it to around 102 tomorrow, and then it may be just as hot during the day on Thursday. So we have a heat advisory for tomorrow. Also might be extended into Thursday. By Friday, the heat index will be down about 10 degrees, only feeling like 91. Yeah, very hot. Long range outlook after the cool down, we're going to see temperatures warm up through the Labor Day holiday weekend, back to higher chances for warmer readings, which are in the upper 70s, and a high chance that will stay a little bit drier than usual during that 7-day period. Water temperatures have peaked. They're now in the mid to upper 60s all along the lake shore. So tonight we're expecting mostly clear skies this evening, and then becoming mostly cloudy and hazy. Mid and upper 60s. Northern zones, hazy conditions. You might get that thunderstorm prior to daybreak down as far south as Big Rapids, low and mid 60s. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows in the mid 60s with lots of haze. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Wednesday with that marginal risk both early in the day tomorrow and again late tomorrow night. Sunny and very humid Thursday, a high of 91. 82 still humid Friday. Another round of some storms, not likely severe. Friday night into Saturday. Next week, lots of sunshine, comfortable humidity, just what we would like as we wrap up August and head into September. Active day tomorrow.
Yeah, next week does look delightful.
Yeah, looking forward to that.
Thanks, George. We have a couple of hot days coming up.
Yes, we do, George. With that heat index, it's going to feel like triple digits out there.
It certainly will. I'm not sure what I'm going to wear tomorrow out on the weather.
Don't wear shorts.
Your short sleeve suit, you know, why not?
Wow, just dress comfortably here tomorrow, guys. Yeah, it's going to be like Sunday and then some. And we'll continue that on into Thursday as well, most likely. In between, we might actually get a couple of rounds of some thunderstorms. Let's take a look at the 13 weather ball. It's blinking bright. Late night showers and thunderstorms, probably right around daybreak to the north, and then for a couple of hours in the morning. And it's also red. We have some much warmer and more humid weather ahead.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Another comfortable day here in West Michigan as we climbed into the 70s in most area, 81 in Kalamazoo and Muskegon. Look at Big Rapids. You only made 68 today. That doesn't look like heat. Yeah, but that is coming. We made a forecast of 78 today. We got back within our target range, and we'll try to extend that here tomorrow. Heat advisory going into effect at noon tomorrow. That's for Ottawa, Kent, Allegan, Barrie, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun counties. Doesn't mean it's not going to get hot and humid up to the north, but that just means the heat index values will reach that advisory level all through about 2 a.m. on Thursday. Heat advisory there in the middle means the heat index values will reach 100 or higher, and maybe not quite so off to the north. That's why you're not included for now. So slow down, drink plenty of water, dress for summer, try to find places with air conditioning, check on your senior neighbors and your family members, special care for children, and especially those pets that are out of doors. Lots of water and at least lots of shade. This morning, there were some scattered showers and storms off to the north and east of us, but we're focusing on this area up in the western UP later on tonight for some strong storms that might make it down to US 10 by daybreak. That's why there's a marginal risk for some large hail in those areas as they weaken and die to the south. Our North American model showing skies are going to be clear this evening. This is 11 o'clock. This is 5 o'clock in the morning. Just getting down through the Traverse City area. Watch the showers and storms just rapidly race to the south. This is 7 a.m., might affect the morning commute, and then they fall apart as they head south of the Michigan border. We may do this again tomorrow night, a little bit earlier. This is 10 p.m. Wednesday night, and then showers and storms south of our area by Thursday. Both days are going to be very hot. These are the heat index values on Wednesday, 100 plus. We could get to 100 plus again on Thursday. and then cooling off to around the low 90s on Friday. Much better weekend ahead. Out on Lake Michigan, we have showers and storms for a couple of hours. Waves will build to 4 to 5 feet. That's why small craft advisories and a beach hazard alert go into effect right around 8 o'clock in the morning for all day long. Those waves will continue to build, and we are going to see those waves come down a little bit by the end of the day. So, Clean Air Action Day also for much of West Michigan with that heat advisory. Morning showers and storms for about a 2-hour period. Highs in the low and mid 80s. Up north, mid and upper 80s. No alerts here, but breezy with a morning thunderstorm between about 5 and 9 a.m. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, hottest temperatures, heat advisory, breezy conditions, some haze as well. Upper 80s to near 90. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Wednesday with that marginal risk green there for the morning and then again late night showers and storms. Hot, very humid Thursday, not quite as humid Friday and Saturday, but Friday night into Saturday, still some showers and storms as a cold front goes through, and then more comfortable mid and upper 70s to near 80 starting Sunday through much of next week.